Hello and welcome. Today we'll be on a plant shopping trip at Home Depot. And looks like there's plenty of plants to see. So we'll just take a look around and check out a little of everything. First we see over here a nice selection of crotons. I think these are Petra crotons for $12.98. A good size at a good price. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at all of that color. Amazing. If you want to add color to a garden with something that isn't flower dependent, crotons are a good option. And down here, here's another variety of croton. These are mammy crotons, I believe. Yeah, I think that's the name of them. And just a little different, but they're even better price, $6.98. A little smaller than the others, but a good size for $6.98. And again, adding all those colors, the reds, yellows, greens, nice way to add a pop of color. And let's see what we have over here. And since we're in South Florida, yes, it's still warm here, even though it's winter, $3.98. So there are still, a nice variety of flowers that you can pick up and plant. I know in most of the country that it's not time to be planting flowers or anything like that. But in South Florida, we can still plant flowers. With our climate, we're able to plant, have plants outdoors year round because we have very few days under 50 degrees. So, and over here now, here's a nice arrangement of succulents. And if you've been with me a while, you know, $30. I love succulent arrangements. Even if you're not looking for an arrangement, if you wanted to pull this apart and have individual succulents, this is a good price for the number of succulents you get and the variety. You couldn't pick these up at this size individually for $30, I don't believe. And given the time of year, it's cooler. So as you can see, everything's in very nice condition. Because as it gets hot, the succulents tend to burn up here. So these are looking really good. More succulents over here. I believe this is an Echeveria chocolate prince. Absolutely beautiful, in excellent condition, and for $5. Nice size. Much better than the buys on the internet and things like that. So don't forget your big box stores when it comes to shopping for succulents and things like that. Unless you're looking for something that's more rare, a lot of times you can get a larger succulent for a lower price right here in your big box stores. So a nice selection of succulents. And here are some ornamental grasses. I'm looking to incorporate some of these, $13, nice and big and full. Looking to incorporate some ornamental grasses into my landscaping at the house in Central Florida. So I'm checking those out. Look at these crown of thorns. Very nice for $12.98. I have several different varieties of these, and I love crown of thorns for some reason. Just if you're interested in adding them to your collection, be aware they have large thorns. And then over here are some canna lilies. These remind me of philodendron Birkins so much. Oh, wait a minute. I missed this. Look at these hibiscus over here. Beautiful. $20. Excellent price. Excellent price. Now back to the canna lilies. They remind me of Birkins, the ones with the white in the leaves anyway. But look at that red strip in these leaves. And look at this flower. I've never seen them with the two-tone flower before. Beautiful. $17.98. Nice price. Beautiful plant. And look at this big banana plant right here. Love the red and the green. So even when you're not getting fruit from it, it's just a nice looking plant in my eyes anyway. And a pretty hardy plant as well. They do require a lot of water, so just keep that in mind if you decide to grow one of these. And I have seen them grown indoors also. They have to be warm and humid though. And here are some cordyline over here. They look good. This is another plant that tends to do better in the cooler months because they turn brown when it's hotter and when the sun is most intense. $12.98. I think this time of year also the prices seem to be a lot better on these type of plants. And then over here we have some Tenanthe. Very nice looking. This is where I got, well, no, I got mine at a nursery and it was about this size. And here we have an emerald red philodendron, red emerald. And these plants are $19.99. Nice size. I don't see. Let's see. Trying to see if this one is $19.99 as well. I don't see the price on it, but I assume that it is since the others are. And this one looks like it's probably a Prince of Orange. But very nice, very nice. And look over here at the orchids. We got to talk about these orchids. You don't usually see cattleyas in big box stores. And they're priced right. This time of year, you see lots of different orchids in the big box stores that you don't usually see. You usually see these more in like your florist or you have to order them online. But you'll see cattleyas, oncidiums, dendrobiums. And you just don't usually see those in the big box stores. But during the winter, this is an oncidium here. And that price is excellent. And look at all of the bromeliads in bloom. Absolutely beautiful. And these are $9. So, and you know I love a good bromeliad. Even when they're not in bloom, I love the foliage. Very nice. And here's an aglaonema. Very pretty. And let's see, that is $25. It's a good size plant. And that's about it. Well, that was a quick shopping trip. Thank you for coming along with me. Take care. Bye-bye.